Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Astronomy 100. I have several sections so that you guys know, and I really have to keep track of everything to make sure that we are doing what we're supposed to be doing. Today is Tuesday, and we're going to be meeting in here for sure every Tuesday, and potentially on Thursday also on the same time. Okay, so the plan is once we meet, the class is going to be recorded, and it's going to be posted on Canvas. Okay, the link will be posted on Canvas. Actually, it's going to be uploaded to YouTube, and then from there, you're going to also get the link on Canvas. You will not get the link on Canvas until the accessibility text is fixed. So it's a good idea actually to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you guys can get the, if you want to, you can get the first notifications on when the upload happens. The only thing I ask you to do is, because I have so many classes I'm teaching, that to look for the title of the video. It should say ASTR 100-10. Okay, if it does not say that, it's not your class. So you might be listening to what looks like it's yours, because again, I just mentioned the fact that I have several sections of it. So it may be similar. You may stay and basically watch that if you're interested. If not, so that you know, the title will tell which class it is. Okay, the title will tell you exactly which class it is. So you may skip through that instead of watching through an hour and 20 minutes or 25 minutes. And then realize at the end that this is not my class, okay? And what they were talking about is not relevant to me. So this is how this thing works. My name is Bouzidi Jamoui. That's the full name. I go by DJ because people basically have a hard time saying my name. I have a PhD degree from the University of California, San Diego, UCSD in physics. I taught physics and astronomy in so many community colleges in Southern California. Right now, I'm just coming off of Norco, actually, college in Norco. And I moved into IBC. So I'll be teaching in IBC. I taught also non-physics and non-astronomy classes. I taught physical science. This is one of the things that I taught also on a regular basis. I also taught mathematics, and I also taught C++ for engineering students. So I have a background in teaching a lot. In addition to teaching, I am also engaged with the student activities, whether STEM students or non-STEM students, in all kinds of things that we plan ahead and work together. And we're just finishing actually a big work right now involving a grant from NASA and also UCSD. And that was a lot of fun. So I really enjoy working with students on projects outside of the classroom. One of the things that actually in the background behind me is actually the simulation from NASA for the landing of the Perseverance, the Mars Perseverance mission that was launched actually on February 18th. This was an event that included STEM and non-STEM students, and we have had a big day there watching the landing. And we have had a lot of fun discussing the mission, discussing basically what it means, discussing the future for it. The reason why I'm saying that is that around the end of October, around October 30th or 31st, I really don't have the exact date right now. I think it's going to be on a Sunday, which is kind of an awkward thing because Sundays usually, first of all, we don't have a school. That's going to be the 31st. So we cannot really officially meet then, but we can still probably do some activities related to that. And the other thing why Sunday is bad day is because actually that's when The Walking Dead airs. So if some of you are watching The Walking Dead, it's going to be a problem. That is where the launch actually of the James Webb is going to be. The James Webb is the next generation telescope that is going to be launched by NASA. It is going to replace actually the already not in use Hubble telescope. And this telescope, the James Webb, is much, much bigger than the Hubble. and much more powerful than the Hubble. And it's going to enable us to progress even further. In a sense, it's going to enable us to see galaxies that we could not even dream of in the past. It's a very powerful stuff that is coming. The other thing also is going to be look deeper in the sky. It's going to also be able to have the ability to analyze the structure of different planets and see if there is signature of life out there. So it's going to have the potential of discovering extraterrestrial, extrasolar, I mean, outside of the solar system, planets that actually harbor life as we speak of. So this is really one of the things that is exciting that is going to happen in the fall. And at this point, I did not decide 100% if it's going to be a graded assignment or an extracurricular assignment, graded or not graded. So I did not decide yet on how it's going to go, honestly. And the reason why that is because we have already too much things on our plate. We have too many projects on our plate at this point. One of them is going to start soon, and that is the lunar observation that I want you guys to do. That is part of the grade that you're going to be. That's one of the projects you're required to do. And that is for 4 weeks. You're going to monitor basically the moon, the different phases of the moon, the different locations of the moon, and the different forms and shapes of the moon for 4 weeks, okay? So that is something that you're going to report back to us in here of what you found by taking pictures. Pictures are not good at night because of the fact of the contrast and things like that, or hand drawing and basically describing that. So that's part of the project that is required. The other project that is also required will involve one of the other two. So you're going to choose either the retrograde motion of planet Mars, so you'll be given data, and it's actually not just planet Mars. Actually, there are so many celestial objects, many planets, and the planets are, of course, Venus, Mars, and also Jupiter and Saturn. In addition to, I don't know if it's Mercury is going to be included or not, but those are the planets. In addition to an asteroid, or at least a dwarf planet called Ceres, which is between Jupiter and Mars, okay? So that's the retrograde motion. Or the option 2 is to track the position of the sun and a star that you're going to be given for a whole year, okay? And that is for the same time throughout the whole year using a software which we're going to discover today called Stellarium. So one of the two projects you're going to be choosing one or the other. Once you do, then you're going to complete the task and submit it. That's why the James Webb launch on October 31st, which is a Sunday, is at this point, it may be just an extracurricular activity that hopefully you guys will enjoy and actually be excited about because of the fact that it's going to teach us so much about extra stuff and the things that are way beyond the solar system and even things in the solar system. We don't still know a lot of things about the solar system. What are we going to learn in this class? We're going to learn things outside of the Earth. We're going to also include Earth in the study and the moon, but we're going to focus on the planets around the sun. We're going to learn about the sun, what powers the sun, what is the sun, and how it's structured, and so on and so forth. We're going to also learn about the planets that move around the sun. Those are 8 of them. They're divided into 2 groups. There are the terrestrial inner planets, and there are the non-terrestrial, either gas or gas giants or icy objects. And they are the outer planets. So there are 8 of them. We're going to learn about Mercury in order from how close they are to the sun. Mercury, followed by Venus, followed by the Earth, followed by Mars. Okay, we're going to learn how far they are from the sun and how that impacts the rotation around the sun, how that impacts them. We're going to see the tilt with which they spin around their own axes, and how is that going to have implications on those objects and so on and so forth. This objects in terms of size, in terms of mass, actually, in terms of how much stuff they have, in order from largest to smallest, the Earth is the largest of those inner planets, followed by Venus in terms of mass, followed by Mars, and then followed by Mercury, which is the smallest of them all. And then, sorry, why is that? And then we have the outer planets. The outer planets include, of course, Jupiter, which is the biggest player in the solar system, the more massive object in the solar system, after the sun, of course. And then Saturn, which is not too far behind. And then Uranus, which is a lot smaller than the O2, but they're much bigger than the inner planets. And then followed by Neptune. And how these objects were discovered, it's amazing stuff that we're going to learn about them. These are the main things, these are the main structures which we're going to be learning about. We're going to learn about the rings around all of these objects. I mean, obviously Saturn has big rings that we can talk about, but the others too have rings. We're going to talk about their moons and how exciting they are, okay? We're going to also learn about non-planets and non-moons, and namely the dwarf planets, which are still planets. One of them is actually between Jupiter and Mars, and it's called Ceres, and it's actually in the asteroid belt, part of the asteroids that exist in that. And then we have the Kuiper belt, where other objects also exist, like Pluto and Eris and Makemake and far out and far out, and other objects in there that are dwarf planets, and Haumea and other objects that we're going to be learning about in the Kuiper belt. Then we're going to learn stuff that are even further than that are actually in the Oort cloud, which is way outside of the things that this is a huge structure. We sent probes, and it's still now they're barely in the outskirts of they're actually still inside the Kuiper belt and probably just leaving it. So we still have stuff that is a huge structure, okay? And how distances are amazing. One of the things that we want to do is try to build a model for the solar system. It's amazing stuff, okay? The structure, and each and every one of those objects is a universe by its own. It's planets basically by its own. It has a lot of things in it, interesting things that are happening on it. Then we're going to learn about the stars. The first star after our sun is actually Proxima Centauri, and its two neighbors, actually. That's part of a three-star system, namely the other two Centauris, Alpha Centauri and Beta Centauri, or Alpha Centauri A and B, okay? One of them is slightly bigger than the sun, the other one is slightly less than the sun, okay?
Mr. B?
Yes?
I have an appointment to get the vaccine.
That's fine. If you guys are, we're going to talk about this one, and it's very important. If you come in late to watch the missed portion, if you leave, you need to come later on and watch the recording. And I'm going to show you the link for the.
I'll be back.
Okay, that's fine. So when you guys come in, you're not watching these things. There is a link that we're going to talk about these things in that. So let me just finish the points in here. For the stars, we're going to learn about the stars. If you go outside tonight and look at the sky, you see about 2,000 stars. But that's not the whole picture. You're going to have billions of stars in our own galaxy. Hundreds of billions, actually, of stars in our own galaxy, which is a huge structure. If you think about the galaxy, it's 100,000 light years for light to go from one end to the other. It takes that much long time. It's extremely slow compared to the size of the galaxy. It's a huge structure. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is part of the local group of galaxies that include, among other things, M31 and M33, Andromeda and Triangulum, which are actually our nearest neighbors. The closest one is about 2.5 million years from us. It's a lot of time, a lot of distance. So if 100,000 light years was big, how about 2.5 million years? One of the things we're going to learn is also how to measure things, the distances, and so on and so forth. This is not by far all of the galaxies in our local group. Actually, there are more galaxies in there, smaller than these three, and that include some satellite galaxies. Our local group is part of a big cluster of galaxies called the Virgo Cluster. And that's our just cluster where we are, which is just a tiny structure in this big universe that we see. It's an amazing thing. So we're going to go through, learn things that are like the black hole, dark matter, and things like that. And you start to wonder, How do we know all of these things? You have to question this thing. You are entitled to the answer. You cannot take it for its face value. Just because somebody wrote it on a book or said it to you or posted it on YouTube, you should not take it for its face value. You really have to be convinced that what we know is exactly what we know. And if new discoveries come along, challenge that, that's fine. Okay. We have to revise what we know. That is part of the whole deal. So again, we're going to learn the tools astronomers use first, so that we know with confidence that what we know is actually, to the best of our knowledge, is the correct theory, the correct models that represent what is out there. So this is a big task, a lot of things that need to happen, and we have a lot of tools. We have, of course, exams and things like that to help us make sure that these things are learned. Before I move any further, there is a question that came about in the chat, actually, and the question was, this class is supposed to be an online class, yet see that we have scheduled meetings. How is that compatible with the requirement that this is an online class, and how we're going to work this thing out into it? Here is the answer to it. Okay. Attendance is live attendance, that is, being present in the classroom, is not required. So if you have to leave, if you cannot make it for one reason or the other, if you were supposed to be somewhere and you want to join later, that is fine. You are not required to attend this class live. However, participation is required. Either attending the class live or watching the recording later on. That is the only two choices. You really don't have a third choice. You cannot skip both. You can skip one or the other, and you can choose to do both if you like. But the point being in here is you either have to attend live and or watch the recording later. Okay. How can we make sure that this is happening? And what is the rationale behind it? Why do I do that? Why do I require that? Here is the deal. This is an online class. If we are sitting in the classroom and meeting there, then I know that you are present. I can take the attendance and we're done with it, and we make sure that we go through the activities. Since this is an online class where the attendance is not required, we have to really make sure that we're doing what we're supposed to be doing. Because one of the things that I have seen in the past, and it's really not good at all, is the fact that this is an online class, and you know what, I am busy this week, I have too many things, I'm traveling, I have other things, so I'm going to postpone, and the assignment is still anyway 2 weeks from today. Why do I have to bother with it? I'm going to take care of it next week when I come back and I'm more settled. Then next week comes in, first of all, you discover you have other classes and you have other things to do, and you say, no, what, I'll take care of it. When is it due? On Thursday, so I'm going to dedicate to it Thursday morning. So it comes Thursday morning, you look at it and you find that, oh man, there is a lot of things I need to be answered. There is stuff that I need to be researched. There are things that needs to be done. There are things that should have been done 2 days ago because of the fact that I have that window to do it. Now I have a problem. Either I can miss the whole assignment or submit an incomplete assignment, and or completely start to get frustrated because there is actually another assignment that is due the next day, and there is another class that is due actually in the evening, and there is a third one, and then I have a problem. I start to get frustrated, and people have to do two things in this situation. Either they drop from the class, not because they cannot do the class, but because basically they get things piled up on them. They're very much well able to get the class and pass it with flying colors. Except the reason why they did not do that is because of the fact that they had this idea that they are not really putting like time, basically dedicated the regular time for doing the things that they're supposed to do. The other option for them is to continue the class, not to drop it, and basically struggle through it and maybe pass it with a marginal grade, which is really bad because I know that you could have done better than that, and you know you could have done better than that. So that's why there is this sessions that we have them, and they have to be either watched, attended live, or watched recorded later on, one of the two options. How do I know you do that? Okay, well, there will be prompts, questions, either 1 or 2 or 3 or more. Okay, at the beginning or the middle or the end, I don't know. Okay, where you're going to go at the end of the session, when the class is over, and you're going to post replies to those ones. If it's one question, you're going to post a reply there. If it's 2, you're going to post 2, and so on and so forth. This is a graded assignment, and it's 10% of your grade. If you choose to skip it altogether, you're looking toward at best a B. You don't want that, okay? Now, of course, since I really don't have time and I really want to skip through it and I want to just get things done, what I want to do instead of watching the whole thing, first of all, I don't know when they are. So I can't really decide, okay, if it's in the beginning, I got all the questions, so I can skip the rest. No, I don't know if it's the end, then I skip the whole thing and just watch the end. No, so I don't know. So I'll have to really either watch the whole thing or do another thing. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to see what other people have posted, just copy theirs or change it a little and post it as mine. That's not going to work for you because of the fact that I cannot see what other people have posted as a student unless I post myself. So I'm going to work out through the system a little bit in which I post some nonsense stuff just to see what other people have posted and fix mine. That is not going to work either because you're not supposed to edit your posts. In other words, you honestly have to do the work you're supposed to be doing. First of all, I'm hoping that you enjoy the class more than anything else. And second, you earn your grade correctly and you actually get something out of it, because you're not going to get out of anything in life, not just in this class, and unless you put an effort in it. And that's really how the rules usually work. Okay, so this is in a nutshell how this live classes are. So to summarize this point, and I already sent a message to this effect, either attend live the class or watch it recorded later. That is how we take care of business now. Okay, attendance is not required. Does this make sense to you guys?
Yes, sir, it does.
Very good. So let me share with you the screen to give you a feel how this class looks like. And when I'm sharing screen, one of the things that happened to me in the past was, I'm talking about something and I have no idea if you guys are looking at the same thing or not. Does everybody, or at least one person, please confirm that they're looking at ASTR 100-10?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. So I'm looking at it from the vantage point of a student. This is how you guys will look at this when you come in, okay? This is how this class would look like to you when you come in. And if I click on home, that's exactly what I'm looking at right now. One of the things that we're going to be focused on is this section, which is called models. This is where the class is going to be happening. This is where you're going to spend 95% of your time. Not in here in the to-dos. The to-dos, first of all, one of them is misleading, and some of them are, okay? And the to-dos are actually on an emergency basis. What Canvas is trying to tell you, you know what, this is urgent matter. Take care of it before that day. That is not how we should really be operating. We should be operating in our own leisure time, and these things will check themselves at will, okay? At least these ones are, okay? So when you do this thing, don't worry about that. This is the last resort. And I will tell you exactly why there is something the matter with this assignment. It shows me how many points I can earn, 20 points, and when it's due, at what time it is due. Same thing with this assignment. But in here is actually going to do the same thing. August 26th, when it's due, 5 points. August 28th, 20 points. And there are things that are not in here and that are due too, like this one has to be marked done. I cannot do that unless I cannot move. This thing is our grade. I cannot do them unless I do this first. Okay? So this is really where I want to spend most of our time. This is where we really need to be. Before I do that, since we are in the beginning of the course, let's go into the syllabus as a student. Okay, I'm clicking on the syllabus, and this is how the syllabus would look like for us. Okay, the syllabus in here has all of the information that you need for this class in terms of everything that you need for it, in terms of materials, in terms of what needs to be done. One of the things that is in here is my contact information, my email. I still don't have a phone number, but that's fine. It should not prevent you from contacting me as soon as possible. Here is the email address. Honestly, the best way of reaching me is through the inbox. It tells me exactly who you are and which class you are. As I was saying, I have so many sections, it's really sometimes hard for me to keep track of who's sending me a message from which class, okay? So it's better to send a message from the inbox. It tells me what class you are. Now, when you do that, it goes to several places for me. It comes through Canvas here on the computer. It goes to my laptop, it comes to my phone, and it comes as an email still. So I have all kinds of notifications that you sent me a message. I will try to respond to you within 24 hours, worst case scenario, 48 hours from the original message when you sent it. As a matter of fact, I have been responding within hours or even minutes to some of you who sent me messages. So this is really how I communicate with you guys. Provided it's not a weekend. Sometimes on weekends I'm driving or I'm somewhere else where I have no connections or something. So on weekends, you'll have to wait until Monday, okay? So 24 hours, 48 hours at worst. Now, how do I reply to you? Most of the time I reply right away, there and there. So you'll have a reply to you, especially if it's a personal matter, it's going to be to you and to you only, okay? Now, if it's something that could benefit the entire class, I may delay the response to you in one of two other forms. One of them is by an announcement to the entire class. And that should have an answer to your question, okay? Because I believe that question is very important and that can benefit everybody else, so I send a message to everybody. As a matter of fact, sometimes you ask a question in this section in this class, and I will message everybody in the other classes, okay? And that happened actually in the past too, okay? And another way of doing it is actually through the live session. I may defer and say, okay, hold on. This is a good point to bring in the live session because it may have branches and it may lead to questions. So I want to leave this to when we meet so that we have that discussion, okay? So I may leave that in there. So we may leave this for that session. Now, that's how we're going to be communicating. So please try to use this one as much as possible. Class again meets on Tuesday, 9:35 a.m. That is for sure. Thursday also, on the same time, I'm going to be here and I'm going to answer all of your questions and discuss items that needs to be discussed and things like that. So, but what is for sure is this one. And again, if we do a Thursday one, it's going to be recorded and posted for the benefit of everybody else, okay? Now, if you decide you have a private, and because sometimes things happen, I don't want you to really be sitting looking frustrated at an item that you spent 5-7 minutes already and you don't know how to go through it. I don't want you to spend more time on a specific item. That is the time when you send me a message. I have a question about this item. Can you please clarify for me? Can we meet? I'll be more than happy to meet with you. Okay? I really don't want you guys to be frustrated. That is the last thing that I want to see in this class. I want you to really enjoy what you're doing and know what you're doing and be confident in what you're doing is exactly what needs to be done. These are the times, the official times, when we can meet. They're still good. We can meet still there. Or if this don't work out for you, I'd be more than happy to arrange for any other time, provided it doesn't conflict with any other classes or any other engagements that they have. That's fine. Most of the times Fridays are perfect in the morning, or even some of the afternoons are perfect actually. Wednesdays, any other day, as long as I'm not in a meeting or another class, that would be perfect. As long as we arrange for it up front. So if these times don't work out for you, that's fine. We can meet any other time. Here is the deal though. If the item we're discussing is private to you, because I will send you a link at that point and say, here is the link, let's click on it and then we meet. If the item we're discussing does not concern anybody else but you, then in this case, the meeting is going to just be basically private between the instructor and the student at that point. Now, if the question is really relevant to everybody else, and with your own permission, and I will tell you, can I record this section because I think it's relevant for everybody else? In which case you may turn off your camera or whatever you want to do, and we can finish the discussion. Once we're done with that point, then we can stop the recording, because later on I would post it for the entire class because I would believe it might benefit the entire class. Let's say, for example, we have this, and it will happen probably with the retrograde motion of Mars, and you look at it and you say, oh, this graph is here and this graph is here and the data is here, and I tried to move it, and we may have explained it but not good enough, so we probably will want to have more details and example on how to move things. And I said, you know what, this I think, which is a very good point, it needs to benefit everybody else. So I start recording that section, and then we finish basically working out and answer all of your concerns about it, and you will know exactly how to do that. Once we're done with that point, then I would say, okay, I'm going to stop the recording now. We'll stop the recording, and then later on share it with the entire class that this question was raised by so-and-so, and I think it might benefit everybody else, in which case everybody else will look and they will be grateful to you that you raised it, because they were actually going through the same difficulty as you were, and a lot of them, they will be very thankful for what you did, because then it will clarify these things. Which brings me to another point. Usually when you see something is wrong and you think, oh, maybe I don't understand it because maybe I did not do research enough, maybe I don't have enough background in these things, maybe I don't know how to do this thing, maybe I will understand it later. That is not a good way of doing business. That is the time when you ask a question right away, and if needs to be, we can meet about it, because chances are, if it's not clear to you, it's not clear to a lot of you, the rest of you. And other people will probably have the same thinking, but maybe it's something wrong with me, and that's why I need to fix things. That's why I need to do more research. I need to learn it. No, if that happens, the problem is not with you. The problem is actually lies here. We need to fix that. Sounds good?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So that is basically in terms of communications. Other things are typical things in terms of student learning. This is stuff from the course outlines of record. This is the things we'll be learning. This is the textbook. As a matter of fact, I have it in here. Okay. So we're going to be using that, and probably very soon that's where we get our homework and other stuff from it. So we need that. The Stellarium software, I'm going to come back to it. This is the link for it, by the way. When you click on it, it's going to take you to it. So I'm going to show you that software today. And this is typical stuff. This is the participation I was talking about. It's 10% of your grade, which is very important. The assignments, there are 2 of them. Okay, I already mentioned them. The homework also is important, and of course the exams. This is a tentative schedule that we're going to be following. Things may change due to unforeseen reasons, or things that we decide that they are not in the proper order, or they need to be changed or something, okay? So that is basically in a nutshell how the syllabus is. So let me go back into home and show you where you need to spend most of your time. This is where you're supposed to be anyway, okay? So the first thing in here is the rules. There's too many rules, 14 rules. I don't really have time to read this, so I'm going to skip through it. I'm going to go next. Well, I can't skip through it. It tells me in here, completion of prerequisite is required. Okay, so I have to really do this then. So I'm clicking on it. So I have to read all of these 14 rules, okay? There is no avoiding that. And that's exactly what I expect you guys to go through. Make sure you understand them and follow them and observe them. This is important for our basically classroom. So I really urge you to go through them, okay? If you have any questions or don't understand something, or there is anything that needs to be helped with, you can still click here and it's gonna take you to my email. Please do not forget that you can still send me in the inbox and message in there too, okay? If we don't agree on this stuff, we're not going to proceed. This is really important. It's really the fact that you do it in here tells me that you agree to this policy, okay? One of the things that we're going to also adhere to is the IBC standards of student conduct. If you don't agree to that, or you have a problem with that, then you may skip it, just like I did. But that's not going to take you anywhere, because it's going to take you back in here. Okay? So you really have to agree to this. One of the things I can tell you in a nutshell what this is, and I hope you guys go through all of this, and you don't just mark it as done, and basically you sign yourself for something that probably at the end you don't agree with, okay? And that is, look, we are in an online environment. What I'm looking at right now is screen. As a matter of fact, I have two screens, okay? That's what I'm looking at. I have names in here that I'm looking at, but there is no real person in front of me. And you guys don't see me as a real person. You see an image, moving image in front of you, okay? And the trouble with it is when you're trying to communicate with one another, you don't even have a face associated with it. You don't even have, you only have a name, which may not mean a lot to you, or to a human being in general, to a normal person, okay? And like a face in front of you. When we're talking to people one-on-one, you really have the advantage of using facial expression, and using your hands, and using other enhanced techniques to communicate your points. And people understand exactly what you want. They have an understanding of what you mean, okay? If you were joking, you could be seen as joking. If you were serious, you could be seen as serious, and so on and so forth. But when you're typing, it's a different story. Nobody has access to your other expressions, your additional ways of communicating. So you really have to be mindful of this point when you're typing and trying to send messages to people, okay? So this is what you do. Once you're done typing, and if it sounds a little bit off to you, read it. If it's still kind of a little bit not correct, read it out loud to you, to yourself, and then assume that you're the recipient. Is it coming good? If it is, then probably it is. If there is maybe an F in here, that is the time when you decide to rewrite this thing. Because you may still have a very good point to make. And we still want that point, but it may be coming too strong. So you may have to rephrase it and put it in a different tone. That is really the main thing I can tell you about at this point in here. So I really want you guys to go through this thing in here and understand it and adhere to it. Let's say, for example, I did that, then I can mark it done. I agree with it 100%, and I understand it, so I'm going to comply with it. I did it, now I can move on. Now it opened the next thing for me, okay? Now I can do this. Before I couldn't, so now I can move on. As a matter of fact, if I go back home, it's going to show me something interesting. It's going to show me the discussion, now it's opened. And the discussion, but just because I opened it, it's already done too for me. So I can actually move to the next icon. And it gave me a mark in here that it's done, completed. I have a checkpoint in here, check mark in here. So I can go back to this discussion and safely I should be able to do it. Okay. So what is the deal with this one? After the session is over today, I'm going to get the download for the video. I'm going to post it to my YouTube channel, which I recommend again that you guys subscribe to it. Just to get the notification when the video is available. And when the video is available, it's going to have the title of the classroom so that you know exactly that this is your classroom. You can continue watching it. And I will not really come in here and put the link in here until at least I have the text recognition also give me the correct wording, and I fix it to the compliance of the college, because the college is required to adhere to the accessibility requirements, so that you will have the text also appended to it. Then you will have it available in here. The link will be available in here. If you are watching this class live, you don't worry about that part. You can skip coming, go straight to the replies and post the replies. If you are watching it recorded, you really have to go through that recording in here and watch the recorded session. Again, there will be prompts, as I mentioned before, for each live session. This is where you post the replies to that prompt. So let's do that. Since this is our first session, let's have a prompt for today. What time is it? 10:14. So how long was it we have been going in here? I don't remember. It's probably what, 15 plus 35 plus 25, that is 40 minutes. So around 40 minutes in this session in here, we have our first prompt. So here is a prompt. Here's a question for today. And I'm going to do this only for the first time. After that, we're going to happen naturally, okay? And we're not going to time it and so on and so forth. So the item of the discussion today, or the item that I want you to post about, is how to handle these live sessions. And the answer to it is the following. And I'm going to type it in here for you guys so that you can post it in here. So either attend live sessions and answer. You really have to take notes of these items, okay? Usually because you might have 1, 2, 3. So by the time we're in the second one, or the third one, you forgot what the first one is. So you might have, it's a good idea to have things to take notes of these things when you are attending live. So either attend live sessions and answer or post replies and post replies in the appropriate discussion item, or watch the recorded session and do the same. Okay. This is my own wording for it. You might have a better way of expressing it, or you may just use this one if you like. So this is basically how I posted it. Does everybody look at it in the chat session and they see what's going on? Okay, very good, Crystal. Thank you. Thank you, Carlos. Thank you, everybody. So the point being in here is, so you have this in here. This is the advantage of being live. You can look at the chat and see what I type in there, and you can actually copy it or put it in your own words and put it where it needs to go. So assuming that you guys have copied this section or did something with it or something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the screen in here and share. So I'm back into where I was started from. This is where the replies needs to go. Click on it, type what I need to type, and then I'm done with it. Okay, since I am a student right now, I cannot see other people's replies. As a matter of fact, Canvas is telling me replies are only visible to those who have posted at least one reply. Since I am a student and I cannot post replies right now because this is actually a demo student, then I cannot see replies. But if I'm the instructor, when I log back in as an instructor, I can see everybody's reply, okay? So that is, who's doing this? Kevin? Okay, thank you. So this is a graded assignment. You cannot see your classmates' replies unless you first do the same. You cannot edit your replies either. So once you post a reply, so please think about it. First of all, how many? If it's one item, you're going to get 5 points. If it's 2 items, you're going to get 5 points still for both of them. If you do one, you get partial credit, and so on and so forth. The point being in here is you have to do. So this is today, and you already get 5 points if you post exactly what I just did in here. Is this point clear in here?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So
So
where are
you posted on the chat, we
Crystal, were you saying
should
something? Crystal, you can type if you have a problem with the mic.
paste it.
Yeah, you can paste it in here, right where it says reply. So if I put something in here, I'm going to post a reply in here, and that's it. I'm done with it. Okay, very good. So this is, we have an understanding. This is, you're going to have on a weekly basis, by the way. Today, it's only one item. Usually, it could be one or more items, so I don't know, okay? And they could happen in the beginning, in the middle, and so on and so forth. And since you're live, usually, and it's not a challenge, by the way. These are items that we discuss in the classroom, and I'm going to give you the answers in the classroom. So it's not like something you have to go and research it and try to find the answers to it or something. Something that we do in the classroom, and that's going to be there, and it's going to be the answer there so that you post it, just to make sure that you are participating and engaging in the classroom. So we're in good shape. So we know what to do with this one. Okay, I see somebody already posted in here. It says already one unread reply. And the only reason why I cannot see it is because I'm a student right now. Okay? That's the only reason why I cannot see it. So let me move on. This is a big deal for what's coming on Thursday. Remember I said don't rely on the to-do things? This is an example for it. It has two due dates, okay? It has August the 26th and August the 28th. Canvas picks up the last of the two, August 28th. It does not show you August 26th. So do not rely on those to-do things. Rely on the model itself and make sure you progress through it and know exactly what's going on in it. It's too many things. I don't have time to read all of that. I want to just get to the bottom of it. So what do I need to get my grade through this? So there is this ellipsis in here, 3 points. I'm going to click on them. And in order to complete this task, all I have to do is mark it as red. So I can do that. But also I need to show rubric actually. That's more important because this actually requires submission. So let me show rubric. This is what I recommend that you guys do for any of the projects that we have in the classroom. Don't go through the entire project and reading it and start answering and you have no idea what matters and what least matter, especially if you're short in time trying to go through things and make sure you get the main points and get the maximum points possible. Then go through the rubric. Don't waste too much time on the other stuff in there first, okay? That way you know exactly what you do. So the initial post is by August 26th, which is this coming Thursday, not this Thursday, not the day after tomorrow, but you have about 10 days for it, or 9 days for it. I can get 10 points for it if I do this. All 4 items are included. So what are these 4 items? I really need to include those 4 items. Or I can get 7 points if I include only part of the 4 items, meaning 1 or 2 or 3. Or I should get 0 if I don't do any of that by August 26th. I could get actually another 10 points for this assignment if I do 2 reply posts by August 28th, which is the Saturday after. And I can get 10 points if all the criteria are met, namely 2 replies and some stuff inside them. Or I can get partial credit if I do part of the stuff that is there, or I get no credit if I don't do any of that. So technically, I could grade myself in here. I don't need anybody to grade this for me. All I have to do is just follow the rubric. If I don't follow the rubric, then I know exactly what grade I'm going to get out of this. Okay? So let's talk about these 4 items in order to get the first 10 points. Here are the 4 items. The initial reply by August 26th, and these are the 4 items that needs to be included if I want to get the first 10 points. So let's do that. The first thing is, please tell us a little bit about yourself. I already talked to you about myself, my education. For you, probably you're going to talk about your major and what you hope to achieve from this classroom and things like that. So you could talk about that. One of the things I really want you to be talking about first is that the way you prefer to be called, because I told you you can call me TJ, however you want to be called. Then also the pronoun. I go by he or him. It doesn't show in here. It shows in the when you get all of my messages. But you may be a different pronoun, so just say that. Please don't be offended if somebody uses different pronoun just because they don't know. So show them, tell them how you want to be addressed. Okay, very important. And then also include a picture of yourself. Do not include those icons, small pictures that cannot give us any detail. Try to have a nice picture so that we can see who are we talking about. I just mentioned the fact that we are online and we have names and sometimes we don't associate faces with them. But if we do that, at least we can tell who are we dealing with as the whole community, not just me as an instructor, but your peers also. And they can address you with the proper way, and you also be mindful of them too. So include a nice picture of yourself in here to show basically who you are. Please do not include a picture of a dog or something like that, or some game or something else and Star Wars or whatever. No, include the real picture of yourself, okay? This is done. This is one of the 4 items, all of them. Second one in here, it says share a link for the people who think that the Earth is flat. So go and research it, if it's a blog or if it's a video. And then from that link, identify 2 arguments that the person has presented that the Earth is flat. Of course, we know the Earth is not flat, otherwise why we're sitting in here, okay? But people sometimes can be confusing. They can be convincing. They can be using false arguments and fallacies and confuse us enough so that you may come out of this thinking, oh man, is really the Earth around? These people may have a point. So just present their arguments, okay? What you think they said in there, okay? Sometimes they're silly, and a lot of time they are, and all of the time they are nonsense stuff, okay? So don't be, and then to the best of your abilities, you're not expected to be an expert in this. What do you think is a counter argument for what they are saying, okay? You don't have to be accurate or precise about it. In your opinion, what you think matters in there, okay? Just whatever you think is correct. It has to be complete sentences and basically try to build it with proper communication tools. Now, the 2 replies, this is the other 10 points that needs to happen, have to be before Saturday, by Saturday, August 28th by 11 p.m. Now, are these arguments against the flat based on science? Of course they are not. No, argument against. No. You're going to see in here what your classmate has made. You're going to say, okay, the arguments you raise are very good arguments and they're very sound or something. But if you don't agree, the argument that you built are very good, but we can look at them from a different perspective and hear what I think they probably can be solidified or whatever you think is. In other words, try to discuss with your peer what the arguments were raised. Try to also comment on their profile, namely what their major is, if something that interests you or something that you didn't think about before or something else, okay, whatever you think is. But again, don't forget the rules of communication that we mentioned before, that you agreed on and you mark done, okay? So those are important and they come in play right away in here, okay? And then statement like yes or no or agree or don't agree, they're not good enough. So you really have to elaborate, you have to explain. Part of the things I want you to really learn from this class is communication, how to communicate your ideas, how to communicate what you're what you know, either verbally or actually in writing. In writing is all better, okay? So this is this item in here. And again, I can post replies in here and continue with this class. That's where you post your actual initial post, and that is actually where you reply. Once you see a post in here, you reply to that post. Okay, don't reply in general. Okay, and you're done. You're done with this assignment. This is a very big, important assignment that is due next week. Okay. If you have difficulty with it or you don't understand it, please communicate and let me know so that we have an understanding. After you click on this one, the next stuff, of course, I cannot do it. I cannot start my units unless I actually click on I finish this one, I submit this one. That's why it's important to do it if you want to continue with the class. A failure to participate in the class or be engaged in the class, if you don't really want to continue the class, that's fine. I think I have a waiting list. We can replace it. I really want you to enjoy the class and do the class and participate in the class and be engaged with the class. This is really my ultimate goal. So I really want you to also enjoy the same things and do this one. If you have difficulty with it, like I said before, please do not hesitate to ask. I don't want you to be sitting and prostrated and not knowing how to do things, because that's the last thing that I really want to see in my class. Okay. So we're done with this modules. Hopefully you guys will have no problem going through them. Okay. Navigating your way. Every week there will be another one in here and you will see what needs to be done, and we're completing these tasks. The thing that is also I wanted to share with you, let me go back into the syllabus in here. Is this clear? Everything so far so good?
Yes.
Okay. That's fine, Miguel, but
Yes.
don't forget to come back later on and continue the watch the recording, okay? Okay, so let's go to the syllabus. This is the link for the software that I'm going to show you. It's called Stellarium. It's in the syllabus, okay? So I'm gonna click on the link, and it takes me to this page that's called Stellarium, with 3 penguins and an apple and 2 windows and the software itself and the online software and so on and so forth. Does everybody see this thing? And at least I need somebody to tell me that they are.
Yes.
Very good. So this is, depending on what operating system you have, you can download your own desktop version. It's 100% free software, and it's an amazing software. If you don't want to install it in your computer, you can use the web version for it, okay? We'll need this software at some point for our class, so that's why I'm showing you this software. Because we have a planetarium on campus, but the planetarium is not accessible at this point because of COVID, but hopefully down the road it would be. We have as a replacement this software called Stellarium, which will do a lot of the things that we can do with the planetarium. So for that purpose, I'm going to launch first of all the software in here because I installed it, and I actually have it on every computer I have, including my phone, by the way. The phone is not a free one, by the way. The phone is, you have to pay for it like $2 or $3 or something like that. Other than that, it's really an amazing software. So let me stop sharing the screen because it loaded, and let me share with you the software. And as usual, I need a confirmation that at least one of you guys can see what looks like an SESSW, and it looks like there is a picture in here of some terrain of some sort.
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. So this is when you launch it, this is how it looks like. It's exactly the time when you are in the day when you launch it. Right now it's 10:31 to 24 seconds, so it's going by the clock of my computer where it is. Furthermore, it's showing me I'm in Loma Linda, California, and I'm 0 meters above or below the sea levels. I really don't want to be in Loma Linda, California. I want to really be where you guys, where the campus is. So I'm going to change location, and I'm going to look for El Centro. And this is El Centro. I'm going to choose it. And if I choose it in here, the city has changed. And actually, you did probably pay attention to this. The coordinates also have changed. So if I do it, now I'm actually in El Centro, California. How do I know that? If I look on the bottom in here, it says El Centro, and it's negative 14 meters below sea level. So we're below sea level. The time is still the same time because we're in the same time zone, okay? I really don't want to be, I mean, what can we see during daytime? We're not gonna see anything other than the sun. So we're gonna change the clock. Before I do the clock changing, I really want to fix the clock. I don't want it to be, right now it's ticking the seconds. Every second ticks, just like a normal day, basically, as if. So I'm gonna freeze it. So once I froze it, the time does not change. I really want to go somewhere at night. This chooses military time, so 8 p.m. is 20. And so I'm gonna go to 0 and 0. This is exactly 8 p.m. sharp. And if I go outside on campus and look at the south, slightly between the southeast, closer to the south, I will see the moon. Between the south and southwest, I'll see Antares, which is the big star in there. However, it's not going to be that visible for us tonight because of the fact that the moon has a big amount of light. It's not showing in here, it's going to outshine most of them. This star will be seen, but the other stars will have difficulty looking at them because of the light from the moon. That's why on moon nights, it's really very bad to look at the other stars, okay? So, one of the things I can look at when I'm on campus tonight is between the east and the southeast. Everything rises from the east, by the way, and sets on the west. So one of them is actually 2 big stars, 2 bright stars. One of them is super bright. It's actually Jupiter. And the other thing is Saturn. Those are visible tonight on campus around 8 p.m. If I wait until 10 p.m., which uses military time, by the way, so I have to do it 10, they are going to move closer to between the east and the south toward the southeast. And it's going to be much higher in the above the horizon. So I can see exactly where these objects are. So let me zoom. We're still 10 p.m. So let me zoom. Let me first of all center around Jupiter and zoom on it and see how it looks like around 10 p.m. tonight, okay? If I have a very powerful telescope, about maybe 6 inches or 8 inches telescope, I could see this object in here. So if we're on campus around 10 p.m. and take the telescope outside and point it in the direction where we are, we could see exactly these things in here. This is how it looks to us. okay? This is Jupiter, and the 4 moons of Jupiter. This is what Mr. Galileo has discovered in 1609, okay? The 4 moons. And they are part of what is known as the Galilean system. The closest moon is actually Io. The next one is Europa, then Ganymede, and then Callisto. If I wait a little later, let's make it into 4 a.m. Let's focus still on Jupiter, and let's make it at 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the morning. So 3 o'clock of tomorrow morning. So we're going to change it to the 18th, and we're going to change this one to 3 o'clock in the morning. All of the moons have changed location. As a matter of fact, Io looks like it's in front of Jupiter. It's not on Jupiter itself, in front of it, okay? And all the moons would have moved in about what? From 10 p.m., I'm sorry, to 3 p.m. in about 5 hours. Of course, the position of the star or the position of the planet would have moved in the sky in those 5 hours. So if I have a tracking telescope that tracks the entire planet and moves as it moves with it, I could see the moons of Jupiter in motion, which is an amazing thing to do. This is live stuff. This is tonight, not some other night, not some simulation. This is actually how it's going to look like. So let's say, for example, I'm planning, and this is perfect why this software actually can be on your phone, because you can plan your trip. So I can change the date. September 18th, that's fine. Where is Jupiter now? I can see it in the sky. It's not in this part of the sky. I'm still focused on it. I can tell from the text in here. And here it is. It's actually very close from the horizon, around 3 o'clock in the morning, because we're still 3 o'clock in the morning. We froze time, by the way. But that's not a good night to look at the Jupiter on that night. The reason why is because you have the moon. So it's a bad planning to go on that night and look at Jupiter at 3 o'clock in the morning on September 18th. Because I really have to have the proper filters for me to look at Jupiter because of this so much light coming from the moon. And it's not too far from it. So how about a week later? I can change it a week later by adding 7 to 18, which is 25. So on 25 at 3 o'clock in the morning, it's going down. Actually, it's going to set. So I'm going to move it back in time to, let's say, for example, midnight. Midnight, it should be somewhere above the horizon, well in the middle of the sky. That's a good day, September 25th, midnight, to go and El Centro, pick up the telescope and enjoy Jupiter and Saturn also, by the way. Can look at Saturn too on the same night. And if I have a powerful enough telescope, I should be able to see the rings. These are the moons, by the way. Titan is the biggest moon in that. So this is how it looks like. So one of the things that we're going to do right now, and this is part of the activities you're going to be doing, let me go back into the north. And let's go back to tonight, okay? Which is the 17th. And let's move the clock back to, let's say, for example, 9 p.m., which is 2100. Okay, so this is tonight. And where is the north? This is the north. And this specific star, it's called Polaris, the northern star, okay? Let me turn on the constellations, okay? Let me move slightly out. This is Ursa Minor at 9 p.m. This is Cassiopeia, which you can trace by this 5 stars, okay? And it looks like it's a 3. If you watch it throughout the night, let's go back into just around 8 p.m. Cassiopeia would be a little bit below. And it's actually, if I watch it, let's say, for example, tomorrow after midnight, let's say, for example, at 2 a.m. Where is Cassiopeia? It's going to be above. Here it is. It's more like an M, and it's going to move around this one. As a matter of fact, I can freeze time. Let's go back into today's date, and let's go back into 8 p.m. This is 8 p.m. and I'm going to freeze time. And right now, time is seconds are ticking, as you can clearly see from here. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to double the time. So the time is actually moving faster. But you can tell from the stars because they are very close in here, okay? They are very far away from the Earth. But if I move it faster, now I can see the motion of the dome. This is what we would do if we have the planetarium. And this you can simulate with it too in here. So let's double the clock in here. Look at the entire sky. The entire night sky revolves around this star, Polaris. That's why it's an important star, because it helps me navigate throughout the night and know exactly where the north is, because where it points is always the north. So I know one side is east, one side. That's why it was used in the navigation in the old days. And if you watch Cassiopeia, first of all, the sun is going to rise soon from the east. It's 3 a.m., 4 a.m. So it's going to start rising, and I will not be able to see any stars soon. It's 5 a.m. Now the sun is out, okay, from the east. The sky now is lit by the sun. I cannot see anybody now. I cannot see any stars, okay? But of course, this software helps you track them down. Even if there is a total solar eclipse right now, we're going to see all of the stars again, okay? So we will see everything in here if the sun is hidden by the moon. So it's important stuff in here. So if we wait right now, it's what, 2 p.m. So nothing is visible. The sun is still, it's going to set in the west, of course, like everybody else. Everybody's rising in here and setting down in here, including the sun. We're 5 p.m. and now the sun is out, or barely out. Okay, it's out now. The stars are back on. So the point in here is you can watch these things. You can simulate these things. You can do dates. And this is part of the activities that you'll be doing with this software. We're going to track the sun and one of the stars that we're going to choose. And throughout the year, because this one can go far in the future and you can plan your trip as far as you want, okay? So this is the introduction to this software that I hope to show you. So let me stop sharing this thing in here. And this is part of the stuff that we will need for this class, okay? So we had a lot of things discussed today on how to use, first of all, how the class is structured. You saw the syllabus, you saw the online, you had a navigation from how the course looks like online and so on and so forth, and also saw the policies, how to communicate with one another, and the important projects that are due very soon, or assignments that are due very soon, I should say. They are not projects because they are stuff that is simple enough to have it in the discussions in there. You saw also an introduction to the software that I mentioned that we'll be using in lieu of planetarium. Okay. So short of having planetarium. By the way, you can have also telescopes designed in there and so on and so forth. I'm hoping that you guys will engage in this classroom and also take from it as much as possible, enjoy it, and be avid fans of astronomy. And if not, probably, why not follow it later on, become professional in it too, okay? And I also hope that you are as excited as I am to be in this class, and we will have a wonderful semester. Any questions for me? If not, I'm going to stop the recording. Crystal, you have a question? Okay. You're talking, Crystal, but I'm not hearing you. Is it my microphone?
Question. It's just, I'm honestly really excited. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
It's not a question, but I'm actually super excited to take this class.
Very good, very good. Glad to hear that. That's really what I want to see at this point. Hopefully, we'll be really excited all the way throughout. And the only way to get this excitement is to do the work and do not hesitate to ask the questions, because there will be nothing that cannot be answered. We have to enjoy doing what we're doing. If you feel like you're not, please let me know so that we clarify and everything is done right, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. So I'm going to stop the recording.